We're out here in Palm Springs today and we are finishing up a lighting installation for a front yard. And I want to show you, I'm really happy with the way this property turned out. I want to show you what it looks like, what's involved, because this is a very typical installation for Palm Springs. We're in the old area of Indian Canyon, so 1950s home. And I want to show you what we did to make this really pop, how many fixtures it was, and how much did it cost, the big question. So check it out. So we started with highlighting just key features on this side. We're not going too much, but we did ocotillos, the address sign, the big palms, just kind of spread it all out, the desert spoon. And we did some nice petite entryway path lights. So nothing crazy, doesn't stand out, it's not a statement. It just provides a little bit of light so you can see the entryway, because their entryway is pretty short. There's not a need for any opulent landscape lighting there. So this was a total of, we started with 17 fixtures in the front, and then it morphed into 20 because we added 3 more where the client thought was needed. So we had a total of 20 lights total, and we had a transformer in the backyard that we were able to tie into, so we didn't have to install a new transformer. And so the back and the front run together because they already had lighting in the back. So the price for this was $5,000 total, included all the installation, labor, lighting, and also a 1-year warranty. So pretty typical older home in Palm Springs. This is about what they're going to end up being, usually 15 to 20 fixtures. And this is what it'll end up looking like. It'll be spread throughout the front yard and it will look awesome at night. Thanks for watching.